Okay, I want to record a video on the web trade, the choppiness strategy. So once you get to your system like this, just go to trade and go to web trader. Okay, mine is already set, but I'll just walk you through how to set it up. Now once you get to your web trader, the first thing you do is you click on your trade. Once you click on the trade, you go to volatility index, continuous indices, then you click on volatility 10. Okay, I've already placed 2 volatility 10 outside, one so that once I place it I would be able to move on. Then you change these two up and down, then you click on lower. You can see up and down here, then you click on lower. Duration is 5 ticks, by offset is 0.4. now here you will scroll this together. Okay, you move this together so that you can see a very straight line. Now what we are looking for is that we want this line to point up, this red line. The moment the red line points up, we'll click on purchase. Okay, I've placed like 4 now. I won 3, I lost 1, so I want to make a video of it so that those who are not aware of it would also know. So you can see the way it's pointed up here. That was when I was supposed to enter into the market. So let's hopefully we'll see another one. The reason why I opened 2 down is that once I click on purchase, while it is counting, I'm still looking at my trade to look for another opportunity and then go in. Once I see another opportunity, it's pointing down. That's to point up. I hope it's not good enough for me. That's why I didn't go in for that. I would have lost it. That hope is not good enough for me. I always try and make sure, yeah, I think this one is okay. Let's check. So while that one is counting, I'm looking for another one. You know, it is 5 ticks. Okay, I want that one. I'm looking for another one to point up. You see that the way it comes down, it has to show something like V. Exactly like that. It has to be like that and it has to go up. Okay, but the V here is not strong enough. The V here is not strong enough. Okay, I want that one too. You see what I'm saying about opening 2 down, so that even while this one is counting, before it finished counting, I would have seen another one. I would have just, that is another one. That's another one. I've won 2 now. I've won 2 now. The guy mentioned about not placing more than 4 trades or so. He said something about not going more than 4. I've won 2 now. Is it 4 or 5 did he say? That one is counting. I'm looking for another one. Now small remain. That is 3rd one. Let's look for one more. I hope you understand what I'm saying with this strategy. The video is going to be long. Let's look for one more. The pointing up must show something like V. Okay, the angle cannot be 90 degrees, but it mustn't be 180. You understand what I'm saying? It must be like maybe like one, I don't know. I can't check angles with my bare eyes, but it must be close to 90, maybe like 100, 120. When it's pointing up, Yeah, you can see this one now. You can see how this one pointed up. You can see how that one pointed up. My network is kind of like slow. You should have entered long before coming in now. You can see I've won 4 trades with this trade right now. That's another one there. Yay, she won't bought him a lot. Okay, let's check. What's it called? Oh, I didn't show you guys how to bring out the charts. I wanted to check the profit table. Yeah. The video done long already 5 minutes. You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I think I placed 10. I lost 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, I placed 10. I lost 1. That 10 is $16 if I'm right. Wow, that 10 is $16 and I lost 1. Imagine. So already looks good. Okay, if you guys have any question on this, okay, let me quickly show you how to get this. I think it's on charts. Go to charts, click on volatility, then continuous indices, click on volatility 10. Now when it brings this up, okay, when it brings this up, this is what I'm showing to you. Let me close this. When it brings this up, you can see they change this to 1 tick. Then click on, you can see where I changed it to tick. Then click on indicators. Then you look for the momentum indicator. I'm sure the guy that posted the video, you guys have seen it. I'm only trying to buttress all that he has said. This is the momentum indicators. Then from the momentum indicators, you go down and look for the choppiness index. Yeah, then you click it. Once you click it, you just click OK. There's no settings at all. Just click OK. Then you now bring this one that is down, this third line here, the one that is under it here. You scroll it together so you can have a clean shot at it. I feel like placing one more trade. Honestly, I don't know why. That is where greediness comes in, oh guys. That's where greediness comes in, oh. Someone that's already made like $8 is still thinking of placing another trade. Can you imagine? Ojuko Mukuro. Okay, guys, I hope this has been an interesting moment. My laptop is really fucking up, honestly. I don't know when I try to use okay, let me try Screencast. Maybe another time I'm making such video, I'll try and use Screencast. Maybe you'll be able to see it properly than this.